Fish oil contains omega-3 fatty acids and it's very beneficial for your body to perform the functions properly. These fatty acids are not produced by our body, that is why they must be consumed in the form of dietary supplements for various health benefits. The fatty acids in fish oil promote hair growth and increase the density of your hair. If you are facing the problem of hair loss or hair frizz, then you must try fish oil to get long and shiny hair. People with irritated scalp with much dandruff should use fish oil because it helps to solve all your hair-related problems. If you're not familiar with how to use fish oil for hair growth, then you will find 3 different ways in this video. Now we'll discuss the amazing benefits of fish oil for hair growth. Benefits of using fish oil for hair growth. Number 1. Fish oil that is found in various types of fishes such as sardines, mackerel, and salmon helps to promote hair growth. It penetrates deep into hair follicles and increases the period of the shaft life of your hair. Number 2. People with damaged hair due to heat can go for fish oil to have strong and healthy hair. Number 3. Fish oil is known for its antibacterial properties, and if you have an irritated scalp, then this oil will clean your scalp and add strength to your hair. Number 4. People with hair loss must try fish oil because of its anti-inflammatory properties, as this helps to reduce hair loss and adds volume to your hair. Number 5. If you're worried because of thin hair, then you don't need to worry at all because the use of fish oil will add volume and strength to your hair. 3 ways to use fish oil for hair growth. Number 1. A blend of fish oil and olive oil. Both fish oil and olive oil are known to promote hair growth, and when you mix both of these oils, then you can have long and shiny hair in the days to come. Make sure the fish oil is in the form of liquid, and in this way it will be mixed easily with olive oil. Now apply this mixture directly on your scalp and massage it for 5 minutes. After that, rinse it off with any mild shampoo. Number 2. Make it a part of your diet. The best way to use fish oil is by including it in your diet. You can eat salmon, tuna, sardines or mackerel because these are enriched with omega-3 fatty acids. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish will promote hair growth and improve the overall texture of your hair. You can add fish oil in your favorite smoothie if you're not allergic to fish. In this way, you can have strong and lustrous hair only by including fish oil in your diet. Number 3. Go for fish oil supplements. If you're allergic to fish or don't want to include fish in your diet, then you can go for fish oil supplements. You can use fish oil in the form of pills, fish oil capsules, or liquid supplement that you can buy from any drugstore. You need to know the correct dosage of using fish oil supplements, only then you will be able to get the best possible results regarding hair growth.